And now I'll perform a cross-chain swap. And this is pretty exciting because you'll be able to swap your Milk ADA or any token that you have on the ecosystem here where there is a route for over to another token on a different blockchain. And that's super exciting. And in this case, I'm going to swap some ADA over to some Matic on the Polygon blockchain. So on my from screen, I'll click on Milk ADA and type in the amount of ADA that I wish to swap. In the to section, I'll click on Milk ADA, and here under network, I'll expand that. And here I have a choice of clicking on Polygon. In the future, you'll see many more blockchains as the DEX expands to different ones. But here I'll click on Polygon, and I have an option of selecting a few tokens here, but in this case, I'll choose Matic. So I'll type in the amount of tokens that I wish to swap, in this case 5. I'll let it do its calculations, and there you can see it's giving me 3.1 Matic tokens. I'm checking the summary down here. Everything looks good. There's a little bit of price impact there. And then I'll expand the route, and you can see exactly what's happening here. You can see the Milkator is doing a cross-chain swap via the Blueshift protocol over to Matic. So now let's confirm that. Click on swap. Now another notification from my MetaMask wallet is coming up telling me the total fees and the gas fees. Everything there looks good. So let's confirm that and perform this swap. Now this swap does take a little bit longer because this is a cross-chain swap. It has to interact with the Blues chain, which is the underlying tech that connects both those two blockchains via its ledger. So here we can see that the first step is done. It has done the transaction on the Milkometer side of things, and now it's interacting with Blues chain to release the Matic tokens on the Polygon side. And we're done. That quick. That was under 10 seconds. Now I'll be able to connect my wallet on the MetaMask side of things, and I'll be able to see the balance of my wallet there. So I'm going to do that quickly. I'm going to switch the DApp over to the Polygon network, confirm the switch on my MetaMask wallet, and there I can see some Matic tokens in my wallet. So I can check my transaction history to make sure that's all gone through, or check the block explorer and verify that has all gone on chain. So that's brilliant. I can easily do a cross-chain swap from Cardano C1 over to Polygon and vice versa. So that's absolutely amazing that this is possible on the Blueshift DEX.